Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. How to identify contra entry in triple column cash book. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. Day 62 class. Today we are going to discuss about our ninth sum of cash book. This is the second sum of 3-column cash book. Let us start our sum. Prepare 3-column cash book from the following particulars. 2019 October 1st. Cash in hand 3500. Cash at bank 2500. So cash in hand, cash at bank. This is the opening balance. Opening balance means balance brought down. Right? This is our pro forma. Date, particulars, LF number, cash, bank, discount allowed in debit side. Date, particulars, LF number, cash, bank, discount received in credit side. Let us start our solution. 2019 October 1st to balance brought down. Cash in hand means we have to write this amount in cash column. Balance at bank means we have to write it in bank column. Cash 3500, bank 2500. And next, October 3rd, purchases 1100. October 3rd, always the purchases is in credit side. By purchases account 1100. We have to write it in cash column only because it's not mentioned it is by check, the transaction by check. If it is mentioned that the transaction by check, we have to write it in bank column. Otherwise, we have to write it in cash column. Sold goods for cash 900. So, the sales is always in debit side to sales account. It's clearly mentioned for cash. This is cash sales. We have to write it in cash column. And next one, October 7th, paid cash to Raju, discount received. We has paid and the discount we has taken. So it is in credit side. On 7th, by Raju account, the amount is 525 and the discount received 75. Deposited cash into bank 250. So if we deposited the cash into bank, the journal entry for this is bank account debtor to cash account. That means the both bank and cash in this entry only. So it is a contra entry. We already discussed in the theory part. The cash and bank entries in the same entry, it will be a contra entry. So deposited cash into bank. On 9th, by bank account. It's a contra entry. If it is a contra entry, the amount we have to write it in cash. Bank account, we have to write it in cash column. Here, to cash account, we have to write it in bank column 250. So this is the contra entry rule. And next, on 11th, received cash from Srinivas 350, discount allowed 50 rupees. Right? To Srinivas account, cash 350, discount allowed 50. And next, on 13th, received check from Hari and discount allowed 75. So here, in this case, In this transaction, received cash from Srinivas. So we have to write this amount in cash column. Here received check from Hari. It is check. We have to write this amount in bank column. On 13th to Hari account, 750 in bank column and 75 discount allowed. See here, Hari check deposited into bank. On the same day, received check from Hari and discount allowed. And Hari check deposited into bank. These three are happened in the same day, in the one day only. So, this is not a contra entry. If the check is deposited into the bank in the next day, then it would be a contra entry. See here, the check received on 13th. In the same day only the check is deposited. So, if the check is not deposited in the same date, so this check is written in cash column. This check is written in cash column because up to the deposition of the check is cash for that business. After the deposition of the check, then it would be in the bank column. But here, same day the check is received and the same day the check is deposited. So, this is not a contra entry. And next one, paid to Ramesh by check, discount received. So, on 15th, by Ramesh account, 375 as check in bank column and 75 as discount received, and paid office expenses on 18th by office expenses account. EXP is a expenses account. The amount is 250. And next, drawings on 20. Any type of expense is in credit side, and the amount 300. And next, withdraw cash from bank for office use. If we withdraw cash from bank, so it is a contra entry. What is the entry for withdraw cash? We are taking the cash. From bank. So, cash account debtor to bank account. Cash account debtor to bank account. So, on 25, by cash account, in debit side to bank account, and the amount is 600 in cash account. Here we have to write it in bank column, 600 to bank account. Here we have to write the amount in cash column. So this is the contra entry and this is the rule for the contra entry. Right, and next one, paid salaries through check. On 28th, by salaries account, 700, we have to write it in bank column. And next, 29th, received interest to interest account in cash column, 275. Paid rent on 31st by rent account, 800. So this is our transactions. We have to make total. First, let us count the discount first. 75 plus 75. That means 150. And next 50. And next 50 plus 75. That's 125. So now we have to count cash column first. 3500 plus 900 plus 350 plus 600 plus 675. And the total is 6025. And next 2500 plus 250 plus 750. And the total is 3500. On 31st, by balance C by D. Why I am writing the direct debit total both sides? While we are seeing the amounts here, we can estimate the highest amount. Right? 1000 plus 525 plus 250 plus 250 plus 300 plus 800. And the total is 3225. So 6025 minus 3225. And the total is 2800. And next 375 plus 600 plus 700. The total is 1675. 3500 minus 1675. And the total is 1825. So this is the balance carried down. So this balance carried down we have to transfer to the next month first. So this amount will transfer to the next month first, 2019 November 1st, to balance B by D, 2800 and 1825. So this is our ninth sum of cash book. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like the videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.